tornado was located near Mineral Wells State Park, 8 miles northeast of Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Poolville around 8:15 p.m. Bristol around 8:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Runaway Bay. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial